Introducing the 2024 Volvo C40 Rchrg Plus 5-door auto in sleek grey with a powerful 1.5-litre electric engine and automatic transmission. This luxurious estate Jeep was registered new in 2024 and is packed with top-of-the-line features for ultimate comfort and safety. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this vehicle has everything you need for a smooth and enjoyable ride. With ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive confidently, knowing you're protected on the road. Don't miss out on this stunning Volvo C40. It comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty. For more information, call us today or visit our website at spiritmotorgroup.ie. Upgrade your driving experience with the Volvo C40 Rchrg Plus now.